Peppa Pig book. Nature Trail. Please like, share and subscribe. Peppa and her family are going on a nature trail. Mummy Pig asks Daddy Pig not to forget the picnic. As if I would, laughs Daddy Pig. They head off along the trail with their map. Oh dear. Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Mummy and Daddy Pig ask Peppa if she can see anything interesting in the forest. I don't see anything but boring trees, says Peppa. Then she looks really hard and finds some footprints on the ground. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them, says Mummy Pig. We will have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Shh! Peppa and George follow the footprints along the ground. It looks like they were made by a little birds, says Mummy Pig. Soon, they come to the end of the footprints. The bird has flown up into that tree, smiles Daddy Pig. Where? Asks Peppa. Daddy Pig gives Peppa binoculars to help her see the bird. Chirp. Chirp. The binocular make everything look bigger. Peppa can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. They're eating worms, says Peppa. That's disgusting. George finds some more footprints. They are very little. Daddy Pig says they belong to ants collecting leaves to eat. Munch. Munch. I think it's time for lunch, says Mummy Pig. But Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. My map is wrong, begins Daddy Pig. We'll have to follow our own footprints back to the car. Suddenly it starts to rain. It washes everyone's footprints away. How are we going to find the car now? Asks Mummy Pig. Quack. Quack. Duck love picnics, says Peppa. Mrs. Duck, can you help us find our picnic, please? The ducks lead Peppa and her family back to their car. We're here. Thank you for your help, Mrs. Duck, cries Peppa. I love picnics, laughs Daddy Pig. The ducks love picnics too. Quack. Quack. So do the bird. And so do the ants. Munch. Munch. Everybody loves picnics, cries Peppa. Please like, share and subscribe.